I am Dr. Sonal Gaur. I came from Ambala. I have opted for FMAS plus DMAS course and fellowship in hysteroscopy. I used to see YouTube videos, but I don't feel just YouTube videos is sufficient. You need someone to hold your hand to teach and to show live sutures in front of you. So this was the best thing that I liked, the dry lab. Endo trainer, practicing on endo trainer, it is a must. One cannot learn laparoscopy skills by just watching YouTube. The lectures were also very good. Like nobody has formally taught before about laparoscopic myomectomy and all. I used to read on my own, but when a person who is doing laparoscopy, he teaches the everything. He also tells you the practical tips. It is very important to have practical tips. So the lectures were also very good. Plus the OT, we got to experience very difficult cases also. We saw endometriosis cases also, hysteroscopy cases also. So altogether, it was good. Lectures, dry lab, and live OT experience. Even after trying in dry lab, one doesn't get full confidence that he will be able to do in live. So a wet lab gives you that confidence. Like when I got to place sports in a live tissue, the feel is different. So and I also got to do a few surgeries also in that wet lab. So the experience was also good on live tissue. It was good. In our post graduation, we are never told about these advances. We are just taught what is there in book. We are taught for theory. For writing in theory exam, we know what to write in laparoscopy question if question comes. But practically, the lab training is very little that is given in our PG institutes. So a lab training is must. You should know. You should have proper lectures on lab and proper practice on dry lab. So it is a must. It is not a choice, but it is a necessity to have proper lab training. I was also having this confusion, will it be sufficient 14 days for lab plus hysteroscopy? But for hysteroscopy, the all the practice that I got here, it is sufficient. I got to do hysteroscopy for 3-4 days. I got to do on in dry lab. Then there was proper lectures also by Dr. Renu Mishra, who does very good hysteroscopy. And also we got to see cases. Daily we used to see around 2 to 3 cases of hysteroscopy in OT. So it was sufficient. This was the main problem, that I had to come with a 8-month-old baby. But here they had made arrangement for a babysitter also. I came with my father and there was one babysitter which they had provided here. So everything was managed well. Thank you, Medicity. I had a good experience here and will suggest it to other my fellows also.